So, I'm cooking on solar again today, and one of the neat things about having the burner movable on my floating island refrigerator table here over here is like hell above and I don't know, I don't know, the equator above and the Arctic below because it's cold and it's hot. I think that's kind of cool. Anyway, hot air rises, cold air falls, right? So anyway, I had this thing over there and I was going to be cooking on this side, so I just slid it closer to me so I could actually move it even though it's like on. And how many people say that, you know, they have a stove that they can move while they're cooking? So I think that's a pretty neat, you know, byproduct of not having this thing fixed here. So anyway, I'm gonna cook some liver. Never cooked it before. I have it in some pickle juice. That's why it looks kind of green, but I've had that soaking overnight. So I'm gonna get to it and see how that goes. All right, until next time.